Let's start with the Innovation Program homepage. This is where employees will typically land when first logging into the platform. This page is fully configurable to match your design and branding guidelines. For instance, you can change the logo in the top left corner as well as the background banner image. For non-technical administrators, we offer both widget and label editors to make design changes directly to this page. When scrolling down, you can see a Getting Started section to update your profile, learn more about the platform, and once you're ready to start innovating, you can click into the User homepage. This is where your employees will likely spend most of their time within the platform. At the top, you can track key participation metrics, and below, we have an activity feed where you can track activity across the platform. And on the right, we have an announcement board that can be used to announce new upcoming initiatives or the winner of an Innovator of the Month award. At the bottom right, we also have a checklist for onboarding steps. On the top right corner, we have a notifications dropdown where you can see updates from ideas or topics you've subscribed to or users you're following. In addition, you can track action items like open evaluations if you are a subject matter expert. Under Activities, you can view initiatives that you have been invited to participate in. We have different types of initiatives, like this Upgrading Your Customer Experience one, which is a CEO challenge that is open to everyone in the company. On the other hand, we have more targeted initiatives, like this Pitch Day one, which is only open to service providers within the organization in a specific geographic area. Under Ideas, you can track ideas you have previously captured to use at a future time. This is a private repository that is only viewable to you. When clicking Submissions, you can see all of the ideas that you have already submitted. For instance, you can see the initiative that it was submitted to, the title, stage, as well as a short descriptor of the idea. Under Projects, you can see all of the projects that you have been invited to participate in. Projects are typically started once a submitted idea has been down-selected for implementation and a project team is formed to help bring the concept to life. Helpful links at the bottom are a carefully curated list of resources for navigation and self-service within the platform, as well as for additional resources that can drive further engagement. Let's take a look at an initiative homepage. This page is designed to set context around a specific innovation activity. When scrolling down, you can see its objectives, success criteria, timeline, as well as the executive sponsor. Let's say that I'm new to the initiative and want to submit a new idea, but still need some inspiration on how to get started. One great place to start is to click the Browse button and go to the idea board to see other ideas that have already been submitted. On this page, you can browse submitted ideas by using the search and advanced filtering options on the left panel. On the top right, you have options to sort the list as well. If I'm looking for an idea that has already been selected for implementation, I can click Selected, which brings up this short list of ideas. And by clicking on this idea here, I can access its idea page. Front and center, you see the idea description, and when scrolling down, you can see the comments section where users can collaborate to assess the merits and pitfalls of the idea. You can tag users here to send them a notification, and there are several options available for commenting, including posting an admin update, sending a private message, as well as initiating a Q&A discussion thread between you and the submitter. In addition, you can view any attachments that were included, see a business impact summary, as well as a detailed history of all updates to this idea, the voting history, as well as a detailed breakdown of this idea's evaluations, including what percentile it falls under for this initiative, and a detailed breakdown of how specific evaluators have scored this idea. On the top left, you can see the current voting scheme, which is chips voting, where users are given a limited number of chips to endorse their favorite ideas.